This is Gordon, a little Beccari's Freetail bat I rescued last night, who was found sitting on a shelf in the local drive-through bottle shop on the gin shelf. That's how he got the name Gordon. He'd been there since the previous night. They thought he was going to fly away, but then he didn't, so then they thought he might be in trouble. He was a bit dehydrated when he came in. He's not really too keen on eating or drinking, so he's had a couple of doses of subcutaneous fluids and just keeping him warm, and he doesn't seem to have any visible injuries, just probably got himself into a small space that he couldn't fly out of properly. So he'll just stay in care for a couple of days and then be released back where he came from, hopefully.